pleadings under the 2016 Revised Rules of Procedure for Small Claims Cases. These include the statement of claim, response, and a counterclaim in the response. They are not really pleadings in the technical sense of pleadings. These are pro forma forms that intend to make the procedure for small claims to be speedy. The rule provides that the clerk of court or other court personnel shall provide such assistance as may be requested by a plaintiff or a defendant regarding the availability of forms and other information about the coverage, requirements, as well as procedure for small claims cases. So the first form is the Statement of Claim. This is Form 1-SCC. A PDF copy of the Statement of Claim is included in this lecture. So let us see the Statement of Claim. So here is Form 1-SCC or Statement of Claim, habla ng pagsingil. There are blank portions in the form that the party shall indicate the necessary information. So for example, here, Republic of the Philippines and then blank, where the name of the court is indicated. Remember that a small claims case is cognizable by the MTCs and not the RTCs. Of course, the name of the plaintiff, the name of the defendant, and the nature of the action. Number 1 states the personal circumstances of the parties, such as the name, sex, age, and civil status. Okay, let's browse through this. And then number 2 states, plaintiff claims the defendant owes him or her or it blank, so the amount of money. All right. And then number 3, did you ask the defendant to pay you before you file this case? So there are forms, or you can check yes or no. Number 4, what is your proof that the defendant owes you money? Of course, the document, it indicates the document or refers to the document that the action is based. And then number 5, did you attach your proof to this form? So you have yes or no there. Was this claim referred to the barangay? So there's yes, no, and not covered. And then number 7, it states, by the filing of this action, plaintiff hereby waives any amount in excess of 200,000 pesos, excluding interest and costs. So remember that this is the old amount. The current amount should be 300,000 pesos for small claims cases. And then prayer, wherefore plaintiff respectfully prays. So again, just see the attached PDF form, which is a statement of claim or Form 1-SCC. Alright, let's go back. Let's open the response or Form 3-SCC. So the response or the Form 3-SCC also has blank portions where the defendant shall indicate the necessary information, such as the name of the court, also the name of the plaintiff and the defendant, and the nature of the action. So take note here, there is a civil case number, because upon the filing of the statement of claim, the court will assign a case number to that case. So here it says response or sagot. Defendant or defendant states, number 1, defendant denies the statement of claim for any of the following reasons. Okay, you can put a check in any of the following. Okay, there are different options there. All right, and then number 2, if plaintiff owes you money, did you ask plaintiff to pay you? Yes or no. Number 3, do you have any proof? So there are check blanks there that the defendant you put a check mark. Number 4, as the statement of claim is baseless, defendant is entitled to the following counterclaim. So see, there is a counterclaim may be indicated in the response form and the blank portion where the defendant indicates his signature. Likewise included, the verification and certification against non-forum shopping, splitting a single cause of action, and multiplicity of suits. Okay? Now let's talk about prohibited pleadings in small claims cases. The following pleadings or petitions shall not be allowed in the cases covered by the rule. 1. Petition for relief from judgment. Memoranda. Petition for certiorari, mandamus, or prohibition against any interlocutory order issued by the court. Reply and rejoinder. Third-party complaints and intervention. Likewise, there are motions that are prohibited under the rule, such as motion to dismiss the statement of claim or claims, motion for a bill of particulars, motion for new trial or for reconsideration of a judgment or for reopening of trial, motion for extension of time to file pleadings, affidavits, or any other paper, motion to declare the defendant in default, and dilatory motions for postponement. These pleadings and motions are prohibited because this can delay the proceedings, and it will go against the purpose of the rule on small claims cases, which is for the speedy disposition of cases.